Chapman Skinesis Skin Insurance SPF 30 is your great year-round protection for the skin. At the same time, you can see you have this incredible light illusion technology with skin adaptive tints to really work on most skin colorings to give you a flawless, even finish to the skin. As you work it into the skin, you can go right up to the eyes. Think about the cell protection, the SPF protection, your UVA, UVB, infrared and thermal protection, but at the same time you're getting something that gives your skin a lovely flawless finish, a perfected look, evens out areas of capillaries, blue dark circles under the eyes and any uneven blotchiness for a veil of silkiness on your skin. This is the final full face finish of Skin Insurance Skin Perfecting SPF 30. So you can see it's very adaptive colouring, will work on most different skin colours, a slick of lip gloss, a dab of mascara, and your Skin Insurance and you're good to go, looking healthy, natural, glowy and beautiful.